This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable browser extensions to run in incognito mode on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To enable browser extensions to run while you're in incognito mode, the way to do that, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says extensions and place your cursor over extensions. Then you'll slide straight off to the left to where it says manage extensions and click on manage extensions. Now the page that it takes you to, it is all of your browser extensions on here. Each one of these boxes is a different browser extension. You can tell whether that extension is enabled or disabled by looking at the little toggle in the bottom right hand corner. This one I have enabled, this one I have disabled. If I wanted to run a browser extension while I'm in incognito mode, all I need to do is go over to the button on that browser extension where it says details, click on details. Then at the top here it tells me this browser extension is enabled, it's on, the toggle is on. If I scroll down, it says down here, allow in incognito mode. It says warning, Google Chrome cannot prevent extensions from recording your browsing history. To disable this extension in incognito mode, unselect this option. As you can see, I already have this browser extension enabled in incognito mode. But if I wanted to disable it, I would toggle that off. If I want to run this extension while I'm in incognito mode, I would toggle that on. That is how to enable browser extensions to run while in incognito mode. Thanks for watching.